Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll in order to find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and localize the more security settings, I believe. So in this additional security settings, don't scroll to this privacy section, just more security settings. And here we have to scroll down to find the credential storage. Almost at the very bottom of this particular section, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. Again, you will have to confirm it with your current screen lock, so let's do it. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive currently, so it means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.